Hello guys, so today we are here to solve the second problem of the recently concluded just uh, recently concluded biweekly contest 140. This is the second problem of that biweekly contest, and this problem is we are given an array and we have to find the we have to return the maximum possible total sum of the tower heights. So first of all, we'll go through the problem and understand what this problem is actually saying. Okay, so this is maximize the total height of unique towers. In this, we are given an array maximum height, where maximum height I denotes the maximum height the ith tower can be assigned. Okay, so this is the you know uh, maximum height that the ith tower can be assigned. Okay, so first of all, we are given an array maximum height, and each index position denotes the maximum height the ith tower can be assigned. So the upper bound is given to us in the maximum height array. Okay, upper bound of what that element can take up. Okay, and we have to assign height to each tower. Okay, so that the height of the ith tower is a positive integer. Positive integer means greater than 0, so it should be at least 1, and it should not be exceeding that maximum height I. As we said, that maximum height I is the upper bound. This value is the upper bound for that element. Okay, and also no two towers have the same height. So suppose there are two elements in the array and both are same, then the first one will be the higher, the most largest value, and others also, since the same, because both are same, the other will be less than 1, less than the uh, value we assign to the other index. Okay, so like that we have to populate this array and return. So if we go through this example, this is 2 3 4 3. So see here, 3 is repeated 2 times, 1 is 2 occurs 1 time, 4 occurs 1 time. So the highest value for 4, this index, is 4. Okay, so after giving 4, we cannot use 4 again because no two towers have the same height. This is the precondition, this is the condition. So after assigning 4, we cannot assign 4 again back. So now to assign 3, okay, we can assign 3 or some other value. Okay, so to assign, we can assign 3 to either one of this. So let's say we are assigning 3 to this, then we cannot assign 3 again. Okay, we have to assign 1 or 2. So we will assign 2 to this. Okay, and then after assigning 2, we are left with only one choice, that is 1. So 1 2 3 4, like that. And if we this is, which is the same as 1 2 4 3. So this is there. Okay, and same explanation for this also. So if we assign, the maximum possible height is 15. Okay, so we will take 15 because we have to return the maximum possible total sum. Okay, if we take 14 here, we will not be getting the maximum possible total sum. We have to maximize our sum. So maximum value is 15, so we will start with 15 only. But then if we come to next index, then the maximum possible allowed value is 10. So we cannot take 14, 13, 11, 12, anything. Okay, we can take only 10, 9, 8, all these values, but the maximum of them is 10. So the total value will be 15 plus 10, which is 25. Perfect. Now again you come to this example. In this example, we can take maximum value is 2. Okay, so we will put 1 2 here. Okay, and then after using this 2, we are left with 1, either 1. Yeah, apart from 1 there is no other thing. So we can put 1 over here, but then once we cannot put any 0 over, because we are restricted by the problem statement that we should use only positive integer. Okay, and if it is not possible to assign positive integer, we can return -1. So in this case, after assigning 2 1, and once we start going assign 0, then at that time we'll be returning -1, and the output itself is telling we have to return -1 here. So with this example, I hope this is clear to us that how we are going to solve this problem. So in order to solve this problem, it's better that we sort our array, okay, sort our given input array in the ascending order. Okay, so if we sort our array in the ascending order, okay, then largest value will be at the end. Okay, so largest value will be at the end. So maximum height, okay, dot length, this is the length. Okay, then what else we need to do here? So we need one variable called to not, so it should not be int, it should be long. Okay, zero L. Okay, like this, total sum is equal to 0L, maximum height dot length, and long is total sum. And then what we will do, we also need to use, for each index we'll be assigning some values. So int assigned height, and this will be equal to, so we can see in this problem constraint the maximum height can range from values between 1 and 10 to the power 9. So to get private int max is equal to 1 e 9. Okay, so this is the floating point value, so we have to get the int, we have to convert it into int, and then we'll do +1. So let's say that max is this. Okay, this is the maximum value possible, in this problem context. Now assigned height, at the outset is more than what is possible. Now we will go through this, given maximum height array, which is now sorted. So at the last index, we will be having the largest element. Okay, and we'll be going from the last index to the 0th index, and then we'll be moving aside. And so here what we will do, that, since assigned height is one more than the largest possible value, so what we will do, that we will do math.min of, so either we take the assigned height -1, or we take the given indexes element, because we cannot go beyond that. So we take the min of this, and then this will be assigned, this will be assigned back to this variable assigned height. Okay, and after this what we will do, that, if we can also check if assigned height is less than 1, then we'll be returning -1. Otherwise, in the total sum, we will be adding this assigned height. Okay, and finally we'll be returning this total sum, like this. So I hope this solution is clear to all of us. So why we are taking this max? Because in this problem statement it is telling clearly that the maximum possible height can range from 1 to 10 to the power 9, and we are taking one larger value. So at the outset of the loop, the assigned height is the greatest value, and then we are taking the given assigned value -1. Why we are doing -1? Because after assigning it to the total height, again when we come back to the next iteration of the loop, even if the last two elements are the same, okay, even then we'll be decrementing our assigned height, because we cannot use the same element twice. Okay, no two towers should have the same height. So this condition is forcing us to decrement assigned height at each iteration of the loop. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everybody. I'll just run this. Perfect. I'll submit it. Perfect. So I hope this is clear to one and all. With this, thanking you. Happy coding. Best wishes.